Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So you can see this is FBL1N screen. Let me start from the beginning. FBL1N, which is vendor line item display. Okay, I'll execute this. Okay, so let us open any of the invoice from this list. Double click on this. So this is a document, vendor invoice posted. And if you double click any of the line item, we get a text field here. Right in the both the line items or in all the line items, you will get a text field. There you also have long text field, correct? So if required, you can utilize these fields also for some purpose. You can give some note here. Okay, now what I'm going to explain is part of enhancement or part of development. Okay, so let's say there is a business requirement that they want to update a reason code. If you have blocked this invoice, for example, okay, if you block this invoice, so why you have blocked this invoice, what was the reason? Or if you unblock this invoice, what is the reason? Okay, that clarification you need to mention somewhere. So you can utilize any of these fields, either this one or you can utilize these fields. You can give the comment here. Okay, but for some reason we don't want to disturb these existing fields, which is default one. And for our new requirement, we want to create one new text ID here. There should be one more field which we can utilize for our requirement. So mean to say, once you click on long text, I should get one more field here, which reason code or approver comment, for example. So that field you can utilize. Right, so this is basically part of a configuration. You need to do this configuration, and then the development team will write their own code, the logic according to the requirement, and then they will utilize this new field which we are going to develop here or which we are going to configure here. Okay, so I want to show you the step how we can do that. So let's go to the new session, SPRO, SCP reference IMG, then go to financial accounting global settings, then go to documents. Here you can see text and text identification for documents. So let's expand this. Now define text identification for line items. Execute this one. You can see these are these three text IDs we have seen here, right? As well, the same note, structured QR code, unstructured QR code. Same thing here. If you want to create the new one, so click on create, give some text ID. You can say 0002 and say approver comments. Then save this in your transport request. Now this ID which we have created, this should be available wherever you get this option long text. So let's go back and double click on this, or we may have to come back from the scratch. Let us see. So yes, you can see, right, this ID here, this line ID we have created approver comments. And if you want to see this in, this is not only for the vendors, this can be seen for the any document, let's say FB03, and even like GL documents. So document type SA, let us find one document, we will see there. Okay, so these are the general ledger document types, GL, right? So here also if you see long text, and here also you can see this approver comment. So this is the field we have added, and we need to provide this field to the developer so he can utilize this field for whatever purpose he is doing the development, like whatever the value he want to update. So instead of using these existing text IDs, which who knows can be used for some other purpose, right? We don't know. So this is the one we have created to be safer side, and this he can utilize. All right, so I think this was helpful for you, something you learned, something new. If so, please do like, share and subscribe, and please do comment what kind of content you want to see. Okay, so accordingly I will try to create the more contents. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.